If you're seeing a Pixlr unauthorized error or a 401 error, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get Pixlr working again, starting with the simplest fix and moving into the deeper browser resets if needed. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, log out of Pixlr completely and sign back in. This is the fastest fix and it often solves session-based authorization problems right away. Go to the account menu, choose sign out, then close the editor completely. After that, reopen Pixlr and sign back in with the same account you normally use. Sometimes the session just needs to refresh and that alone clears the unauthorized error. If you're still getting the 401 error, the next step is to clear Pixlr's site data. Open Pixlr in your browser, then click the padlock icon or the site controls next to the web address. From there, open Site Settings or the Cookies and Site Data section. Look for the option to clear data and click it. This removes saved site information that may be causing the login problem. Once that's done, reload the page and try again. If the issue is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies completely. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and cached files are selected. Clear the data, then restart your browser and return to Pixlr. This step is important because old cookies or cached files can conflict with your current login session and trigger the unauthorized message. Next, disable browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, security add-ons, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with Pixlr's authentication process. Open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily disable anything that might block site scripts or cookies. After that, reload Pixlr and check whether the error is gone. If Pixlr works now, you found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one by one to see which one was creating the problem. If you're still not fixed, the final step is to flush your DNS cache. This can help clear any stale network data that may be affecting access to Pixlr. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run the flush DNS command. Once it finishes, close the window, restart your browser, and try Pixlr again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the unauthorized error immediately, especially the sign out and sign in method, clearing site data or disabling conflicting extensions. So to quickly recap, sign out and back in, clear Pixlr site data, clear browser cache and cookies, disable browser extensions, and flush your DNS cache if needed. If this tutorial helped you fix the Pixlr unauthorized error, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.